Hello there. Drier afternoon in prospect for many of us, and looking at the bigger picture we can see we are generally between weather systems at the moment, but it's not long before the next Atlantic low pressure system brings wet and windy weather across northern and western areas. However, at the same time, this high pressure just keeps weather fronts at bay across the southeast of the UK in particular, and here temperatures start rising for a few days. So looking at the picture for Monday afternoon, plenty of bright to sunny spells across much of England and Wales. However, northern England generally cloudier, as this weak weather front just gives a few showery outbreaks of rain, which extends into southern parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland too. Northern parts of Scotland also drier and brighter. Winds lighter than the weekend too, so temperatures just a little higher, so just feeling a little warmer out there for the afternoon. Temperatures the high teens to low 20s, highs around 23 Celsius towards the London area. So generally for most a fine afternoon to come. However, it is all change as we move into the evening time. The next weather system bringing outbreaks of heavy rain across Northern Ireland, stretching across much of Scotland, northern England as we head into the early hours. A Met Office warning coming into force by the end of the night across southwest Scotland. Some heavy bursts of rain possible. The winds also starting to strengthen, particularly around western coasts, but generally much of England and Wales staying dry overnight with some clear spells, perhaps a few mist and fog patches, and with winds coming in from the south, temperatures largely staying in double figures. So it's a wet start across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England on Tuesday morning. Outbreaks of heavy rain, some local disruption is possible. And then slowly through the day, this weather front just pushes a little further south and eastward. So rain being introduced to Wales, the West Country. Behind it, fresher conditions, brighter skies for Northern Ireland with a few showers, and northern and western Scotland as well. To the southeast of this weather front, across much of eastern, southern, southeast England, it will be dry with plenty of hazy spells of sunshine, and the winds coming in from the south, starting to import some of that warmer air. Temperatures lifting to around 25 to 26 Celsius in the best of the sunshine. Cooler under the cloud and the rain, and still fairly breezy conditions, the high teens to low 20s, and behind the weather front, temperatures again 17 to 20 Celsius. Into the evening time, this weather front, it starts to slow down. We start to see some ripples developing along it. So further outbreaks of rain possible across parts of the West Country, Wales, Midlands, into northern parts of England, perhaps southern Scotland still too. Behind this, across Northern Ireland, Scotland, generally we'll see some dry weather, a few showers across western coast, and then across the southeast also staying dry. If you'd like more information on the weather for the week ahead, you can follow us on our social media channels, and I'll see you again soon.